everybody, I thought I would use this video as a chance to explain how the Seesaw app works. So we're going to start by going into the App Store, searching for Seesaw, which is the new app that we're using. And you'll see on the page it comes up with two different Seesaw apps. The top one is Seesaw Class, and then the bottom one is Seesaw Parent and Family. The Parent and Family one is more for adults to be able to see what the children are uploading, whereas the Class one is the one where children will be doing the uploading. So that's the one that you want. So we're going to click on that, download that, and then this is how we get into the app itself and log in, and we're able to upload some work. So we're going to the Larkhall website, top banner, click on Year 1, and then the first thing that comes up is the Seesaw app code. Then you're going to tap I am a student and scan that QR code, and it will straight away bring up all the names of the children in the class. It's really important that you find your name or the child's name so that you can upload things specifically to you. I've just made myself one there. So I click on that, notify yourself some notifications, and then straight away we're in the journal here. This plus sign at the top, you can add photos, drawings, videos of any work that you're doing. Me and Amy will also be adding activities for you to do on this bit here, where you just add in exactly that, choose what you're going to do, how you're going to respond to it. There's also a section at the bottom for your inbox as well, of any class announcements that come up there, so give that a check as well. So another good thing that we've found online that we can use for maths is the Bite Size website. So if we go and we search Bite Size, comes up here at the bottom, it says daily lessons, and it pops up straight away Year 1, and there's some wonderful things there that we can crack on with at any time. There's math, there's English, there's history, and it's all been set out for about 12 days now, so there's lots and lots of things that are on there. So if we wanted to do numbers within 50, it's got a video there, another video, and lots of activities as well that you can download and print off, or you can just write on a piece of paper, and then extra bits to push people on specifically about what you've been learning during that time. I think that's a really nice, easy way for the kids to get some maths in at a daily lesson. Don't forget to also check out our paper activities on the website, and head on over to Twitter, where we're on Larkhall Primary, or you can search hashtag LHVauxhall or hashtag LHChelsea to get things specifically for Year 1 that we've been making. We hope to see you soon and look forward to seeing all of your activities completed on Seesaw and everywhere else. Bye!